What's the meaning of Atlantic City? Atlantic City. Atlantic City.
Atlantic City. Atlantic City. Atlantic City is a resort city located on the Atlantic coast of New Jersey, United States. It was originally incorporated as a city in 1854, and it is known for its casinos, beaches, boardwalk, and entertainment venues. The city has a rich history, having served as a popular destination for tourists since the late 1800s. Its nickname, the World's Playground, reflects its reputation as a place for leisure and entertainment. Today, Atlantic City remains a thriving tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors annually for gambling, shopping, dining, and other recreational activities.